Well, it's Sunday morning. This is where we stealth camped here in Squamish, British Columbia, Canada. We parked right on 3rd Avenue between Pemberton and Bailey Streets, and we're in front of a retirement senior home. And there's the mountains, as you can see. And we're right behind the Shoppers Drug Mart. And the road here is actually quite level. Surprising, because they normally have a level down towards the curb. And this one here, we slept nice and level. It's really good. And as you can see, there's the mountains up ahead. Our van, where it's insulated, you can see the dew, all the mud from the other day. Our heater running, you can hear it. And you can see the windows have frosted up. It was -2 last night. All the car windows here are all fogged up. But this is what it looks like. We slept really well. It was very quiet here during the night. And there's some restrictions here. You can't have any oversized vehicles. No overnight parking past here, so they don't want bus or RV or trailer parking past this spot here. Otherwise, that was our stealth camping spot overnight. That's it. Thanks for watching.